Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus. I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset, the soft reset way and the hard reset way, okay? I'm also going to tell you how to bypass the password if you try to shut your phone off and is asking for a password to shut it off, but you forgot your password, okay? So first thing is, let's just do the soft way first, okay? So if you can log into the phone, you know your password, then a way you can do this is just simply go into the settings here, go into the settings, scroll all the way down, and then you want to tap on About Phone here, and then you want to scroll down to the very bottom. It says Reset here. Go ahead and tap on Reset. Then once you click on that, you want to go ahead and click on Factory Data Reset right there. And then once you tap that, you'll get this information here, what it's going to erase on the phone and whatnot. And if you just scroll all the way down to the very bottom, it says Reset right there. You can tap that and you can perform a factory reset. Now, if you want to do a hard reset, basically doing the hard keys here, the first thing we got to do is turn off the phone, okay? So to turn off the phone, you want to press the volume down and the power button at the same time. So press and hold both these buttons so the power off menu pops up, okay? So volume down, power button. 1, 2, 3. Just press and hold two buttons. Wait for this power off menu to pop up. Then tap on power off and then tap on power off here. Now the thing is, some of you guys trying to do that second power off, it's going to ask you for a password in order to turn it off. However, if you forgot your password, I'm going to show you guys how to bypass that in 1 second, okay? Anyways, if you're able to get this far right here where your phone is off, so the next thing we want to do is we want to boot the phone into recovery mode, and then from there we can select we can do a factory reset. So how do we get into the recovery mode from here? Now the phone is currently off. So next thing we want to do is just press the volume up and power. Press and hold both of these buttons. Volume up, power, okay? So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to press and hold both buttons like this, and I'm going to continue to hold, and I'm going to wait until we are actually into the recovery menu here. Okay, as soon as you see the blue screen, you can go ahead and let go. And then from here is the Android recovery menu, and then from here, I mean, you would go down. You would simply just go down to Wipe Data Factory Reset. To select it, you press the power button here, and then it's going to give you another message here. Are you sure you want to do it? And you want to go down to, if you want to proceed, you go down to yes. Use the volume rockers up and down to go up and down. Anyways, if you want to proceed, go to yes, press the power button. It's going to reboot. It's going to do a factory reset. Okay, I'm going to go on no here. And now, for those of you that you were not able to shut off your phone because you need a password to shut off your phone, I'm going to show you how to bypass that next. Let me just go ahead and reboot my phone normally. I'm going to say no here. I'm just going to reboot my phone. Wait for this boot it back up. And next, again, like I said, I'll show you how to bypass the password in order for you to shut down to get into the recovery mode to get to the factory reset. Okay, so we'll try this again, okay? Volume down, power button, okay? Press and hold, oops. Volume down, power. Press and hold both buttons. Wait for the power off menu pop up, and then I'm gonna press on power off. And now watch what happens when I tap on power off. Power off. Hey, great. Now it's asking me for a password to turn off my phone. Okay, so let's go ahead and bypass this. And how we're gonna bypass this is basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna force the phone to restart. And as soon as it's about to restart, we're going to go ahead and use the key combination to get into the recovery mode, okay? So how do we force the Note 10 to restart? First of all, it's going to be volume down, power. So with the phone on, it's volume down. Press and hold, volume down, power. Press and hold, both buttons. Wait till the phone is about to reboot. Then we want to switch keys, and we want to go volume up, power, to get into the recovery mode. Okay, we got to do this kind of quick. It may take you 5, 6, 7 times to get this done. Let's see if I can get it on the first try here. Okay, so ready? So volume down, power. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to press and hold both buttons. I'm going to wait till I think it's about to restart, and then I'm going to flip. I'm going to change keys. Okay, right about now. Now volume up, power. Volume up, power. And then hopefully it boots us into the recovery menu here. So it's booting up there. Voila. I got it on my first try. Anyways, from here you go back down to the wipe data / factory reset. Excuse me. Proceed there. And that's pretty much it. Hope that helped you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys. Good luck. Tell me how many times it took you to get into the recovery menu if you guys forgot your password, right? Thanks. Bye.